Good morning, class. I am Ramari Kapural, English teacher of school level as well as college level. I am here today to help you in class 8. Now in class 8, unit 3, there is one topic. The topic is about business and commerce. Now you can see before discussing about the text, now you can see two questions there. They are signpost question. And in the question, the first question is about what are the people doing in the picture. You can guess by looking at the picture. I think you know it clearly that they are wanting to get some information with the man who is sitting on the chair. Okay, this way they are wanting to ask some question with the man to get some information. Now you can see the second question. The question is about, is interview is a good method to get information? Surely, it's sure. Why not? Because after doing some kind of interview, people can get different kind of new information. It's very good for getting information. This is the picture is about this one, and after that, I would like to discuss about the topics, the passage. The passage is about the interview. Okay, the interview is about with a local businessman. Okay, now what about the interview? We can see there. Some of the students of grade 8 are there. Some of the students of grade 8, they are assigned a task for interviewing to a local businessman for their school magazine. Yes, means some of the students, 4 school students, class 8 students, they went to the office of the local businessman for getting some information, for asking some question. They want to meet the businessman. The businessman welcomed them, and all the 4 students, and then the businessman, they are in the office, and the businessman welcomed them with a tea and snack, and they told him why they wanted to meet him. And the young businessman, a self-made man, was happy and ready to answer the question. The first question asked by Kamala: would you mind telling us about your childhood and primary education? And the businessman said, of course, my childhood was very normal and happy. My parents were farmers, so they were very hardworking. Though they were uneducated, they sent me a good reputed school. They never said no to my request. So this is the condition of the businessman in a childhood period. Means his parents were farmers. They were very hardworking person. They gave the chance to the businessman to study in a reputed school, good boarding school, and then they fulfill all the demands for his betterment. Then the next question is asked by Vedu: how was your school life during primary level? Then the businessman gave the answer very confidently, and then teachers were helpful and strict too. They never felt bored in the school because there was a music class every day and library classes 3 times a week. Adequate sport materials also fulfilled the demands of all the interested students. So this was the school level situation for that student. And then the Amika asked another question: were you particularly interested in any game? And the businessman said that I was interested in table tennis. Okay, that this is the information they are going on getting with the businessman. And the Bimala, now student, you have to go on looking the page 24. We are in 24 page in unit 3. And then businessman asks, yes, I was interested in table tennis. And then Bimala asks the next question, please tell us how you can be involved in business. Means how you were invited, how you were very much interested in business. The Bimala asked the question. Then the businessman said, I had no such aim until my SSC level. When I joined the management stream in class 11, my interest in business gradually began to increase. My friends were mostly from the business-related family, so you are motivated with his friends, those who came to school from the business class, business family. And then Kamala asks the next question. The question is about the Kamala. She asked the question about with the businessman. Then what were your purpose in business? And then businessman said it is an activity supplying goods or services or to the both people to make a profit. Profit the sole aim of business. So service to society, however, should also be kept in mind. We are part of society. We need to help the develop. So in business, the main thing is business means to get some profit as well as to do some social services as well. And then the question is, then Bedu asks the next question, what are the most essential requirements to be a successful business person? Then the business person said, there is not a single thing for this. Hard work, politeness, this perseverance and tactfulness are the basic virtues in business. Capital, investment and market are the infrastructure necessary for the business. Now the students, you know that hard work, politeness and then persevere. This perseverance means determination and tactfulness means cleverness. They are very important qualities for the business. As well as to make the business successful, this capital, investment and market is also another important point. The businessman makes it clarify, make it clear. And then Amika asks one more question. How do you manage your personal and professional life? You have personal life as well as professional life. Professional means you are in a business, that is your profession. Then the businessman said that it is not difficult for me. My wife helped with my business. His wife is very active for his business. So she understands its complexity and does not interfere with my job. My parents help us to look after our children as well. Then the Bimala asks next question. Do you think you could explain the relation between education and business? The businessman said, yeah. Education means show the path to business. Education teaches us to do anything easily and properly. It makes you practical. We can't learn business strategies and antiquate without education. Trying to manage a business without good education is just like trying to cross a deep river without knowing how to swim. So that education is very important for business. Education is a skill, it shows the way to make the business successful. That's why businessman said that education is very important for making the business successful. Then the Kamala said, if you had not been a businessman, what would you have done? Then the businessman said, he laughed and said, I might have joined the police force. Then Bedu said that, lastly, what would you tell us, the student like us? Then businessman said, choose a field where you are happy to work hard. Okay? Then the businessman gives the suggestion to the student as well as the people that we have to choose the career, choose the profession which is where we are happy, where we can become satisfied for that. Also work to benefit the future of your country in a positive way. So that we should work for the country and then we should make our career also better by choosing our profession. So in this way, it is an interview between 4 students of grade 8 with a businessman about his childhood period, about his primary level education, about his choice in business, how he was motivated in business, and what are the qualities of the business, what are the main virtue of the business, and then they also talk with them about the relation between business and education. Okay, so in this way, the student, this is the interview done by the student of grade 8 to the local businessman to publish in their local school level newspaper. So it is a task given by the teacher to the student to get the information, to get the interview, to get the message from the local businessman for their practical work and so on. Now, this is a reading text, just I explain you, I just gave you how to read it, how to talk it. Okay, student, just we have described about the text, the interview between the student and the local businessman about his business activity. And then some of the words are given there, some of the difficult words are given there, given in the text, which I am going to make you practice. Now you can read with me, practice with me, and you can note down in copy as well. You have these words are given in the box. Now you can see the words. The word means the similar meaning word. We have this word meaning. Adequate, that means enough or sufficient. Assign means provide work. That assignment means work. Benefit means gain. Complexities mean difficulties. You know this word. Essential, that is necessary. You know necessary thing means essential thing. Antiquate means good manner. We should have good manner. We should have our antiquates should be very remarkable, like that. So gradually means slowly. Gradually means student, you have to say slowly. Infrastructure means that is basic organization. Infrastructure of the school, infrastructure of the village, that is mean basic things which we need for that. Interference means that is stop. Interview means face-to-face talking for official work, like that you can say, especially for job or some information, we do face-to-face talking. Involve means include or imply, you can say. Pay, the word pay means so, you can say. Profit means you can say gain. Reputed means well known or famous, or you can say popular or something like that. Snack, breakfast, or you can say tiffin. Okay, strategy, planning in any field, planning to do in any field, that is our strategy. Strict means very hard, strict. That is tactfulness means cleverness, very tactful person, very cleverness person. We should be tactful, we should be clever, something. Task means work or duty. Uneducated means illiterate, means who doesn't know anything to read and write. That is uneducated means illiterate. Virtues mean qualities. Our virtue is very important. Our quality is very important. We should have good virtue. We should have good quality, like that. Then the next word is perseverance means determination. Our perseverance is very important to reach in the targeted goal. That is determination is very important. Then investment means action of investing. We need some investment to do business or something else. So these are the words, difficult word I think for you, and the word meaning are given there. You have to practice at home by looking this. And then some of the opposite words are, opposite word meaning also we can discuss, which are related to the topics, related to our text. In our text, the word young is given, you can say world opposite, happy opposite, sad, answer opposite, question, the answer, childhood, adulthood. Okay, childhood means you can say adulthood opposite word, hard opposite, easy, soft, neighbor opposite, always, primary opposite, secondary, joined opposite, break or disconnected, you can say, began indeed, increase, decrease, profit, loss, life, death, deep, shallow, okay, deep level of the water, shallow level of the water. We can say that is a laugh, cry, positive, negative, bored, happy, gradually, quickly, high, low, active, passive. These are the opposite word and similar meaning word, opposite word. You have to remember at home by looking your books. It is related to our text. Okay, now student, you have got opposite meaning, you have got similar meaning of the text, and we discussed about the text also about the interview. Now we have to practice some exercises given in the text. Okay, we have to now open the book in your page number 26. There are given some exercises which I am going to discuss about here, and then you have to practice at home. Okay. Now see the first exercise given there in the book. Read the conversation above and match the word in column A with their meaning with column B. Means we discuss about 23 similar meaning, and then it is the similar meaning matching. The first one word you can see local. What may be the meaning of the local? Can you guess? Now please guess it. Good. The meaning of the local is of a particular place. The second one is the right answer. The snack. Could you say snack? What is the similar meaning of snack? Good. The similar meaning of snack is tiffin or breakfast. The third one is sports. What is the meaning of sport? Sports. Can you guess? Good. The last one is the right answer. That is games. The next one is profit. The meaning, the word profit. What may be the similar meaning of profit? Can you say? Yeah? Okay, good. The right answer is benefit from a business. That is profit. The last one is household. Household, the meaning related to that is related to house is household. Very good. Now you got the similar meaning. You did this first one. And then the remaining question, the second one and third one is there. That is you have to do at home, okay? I will just make it clear. You have to practice and do at home as your homework, as your home practice. The first one, question answer. Answer the following question, okay? The question is, why did the student interview the businessman? Can you guess? Why the student interview the businessman? Yes. The answer is, the student interviewed with the businessman to get information. To get information and to publish in their school magazine, okay? Actually, they did the interview. The student interviewed with the businessman for their school magazine. For their school magazine. Very good. The second question, were the business person's parents educated? Were the business person's parents educated? No, they were not educated. They were uneducated. They were farmer. Okay, they were uneducated, but they were very serious for the future of their student. Okay, for the future of their children as well. The third question is what? What was the game he most liked at his school? What was the game the businessman most liked at the school? Can you guess what is which game which was his favorite game? The answer is his favorite game is table tennis. Okay, when he was in school, then table tennis is his game. How did the hard work help the business make progress? How does hard work help a businessman business progress? That is, you read the passage and you can do that, okay? What happened when you try to manage school business without education? What the question? Just it is in the second last interview. The business education is very important for the business because it shows the way to the businessman how to handle the business well and he knows different ideas about the business. Okay, very good. The last one is write true or false against the following statement. Now you have to write true or false of the following statement. This is another question you have to do at home. The first one is 3 students went to see the business person. Means it's right or wrong, could you say? Very good. Means it's the wrong answer. Why? Because 4 students, not 3 students, 4 students went. Okay. The second one, the parents of the business person were also in business. What do you think? It's a right or wrong? It's a true or false answer. The business means the parents of the business person, they were farmers, they were not business, they were not businessmen, they were not in business, they were farmer. That's why it is also the wrong answer. Wrong. Third one, the third question is, the business person studied in a poorly facilitated school. Is it so? It's the business, the farmer were, the parents were farmers, his parents were farmers, but they sent him a good school, highly sophisticated school, well-known school, famous school. It is also false. Every business activity is for profit making. Real. It's a right answer. Every business activity is for profit making. It's a true. Why? Because business means there is somehow profit. And profit is the main soul of the business. Okay? Without profit, business is not possible. Because if there is no profit, then how the businessman can survive and can handle his family and everything so on. The last one is, education helps the business person to be successful. Education helps the business person to be successful. What do you think? Business education is important, is needed for the business or not? Without education also we can do the business or not? What do you think? This statement is true. Why? Because business education is very important thing for the success of the business. That's why it is very important. Good? That's why this is also the right answer. Now these are the true false question answer question, and then this matching question. To my dear student, you have to practice at home, and then you have to show me when the school opens. Then I will come to your area, village also. At that time, you can show me your answer, or you can ask me your confusion. What about it there? So anyway, it is the time. It's a very difficult time. You are at home. We are also at home, and we are not getting chance to talk face to face. So through this media also, we are trying to give some idea for you, and then I think you will get some support from these online classes, and then you will practice at home. Daily you have to read the book, daily you have to practice your exercises, and then minimum you have to give 2-3 hour time for your study at home, stay at home, and then study at home, and then be safe from corona.